the houses on either side, we have told the contractor to take as much time as he can to make sure that there is no injuries, nobody's houses are damaged. We have people from the PWD department, so they will coordinate with since they are technically committed, they will coordinate with the contractor. So we will do our utmost to make sure that no damage occurs to either of the houses.
How long it will take to get to
See, we have told them now, even if it takes 2 days also, let it be. If we rush it and something happens to the structure, it falls down and somebody gets injured, we don't want to take that risk. That's why we have the PWD people over here also now, they will supervise the demolition themselves. They will be here.
This is planned under disaster management or CCPH?
No, see, we had got the two favors, we have got the equipment. With disaster management, their full team is here, we are just lending them support.